Welcome to my channel. When we think about space, we all have so many questions. How did the universe start? How big is it? What secrets is it hiding? The universe has many scary mysteries, but the most frightening thing we've ever found is the black hole. It is a dark place where you can never leave. Once you go in, there is no way out. We've heard many stories about them. Some people think black holes are doors to another world where time stops and you live forever. Others think they lead to God. But these are just ideas. To find the real truth, humans started studying space, and what we found is shocking. Today, we are going to talk about black holes in a very simple way. This is going to be very interesting, so make sure to watch until the end. A black hole is the darkest place in the universe. Its pull, or gravity, is the strongest thing that exists. Nothing can get away from it, not even light. Light can go inside, but it can never come back out. That is why they are called black holes. Anything that gets too close gets pulled in forever. This is why scientists call it the point of no return. Inside a black hole, the normal rules of science just stop working. About 100 years ago, people thought black holes were just made-up stories. But in 1916, a scientist named Karl Schwarzschild used math to prove they could exist. He showed that if you squeeze any object small enough, it will turn into a black hole. Even the Earth could become one if it were crushed down to a tiny size. People laughed at him then, but in 1971, scientists actually found a real black hole in space. It is very far away. So far that even light would take 6,000 years to get there. There are 4 types of black holes. Some are tiny, like a single atom, but they are strong enough to swallow a mountain. Others, called stellar black holes, are made when giant stars explode. Then there are the supermassive black holes. These are the biggest and live at the center of every galaxy. Our own galaxy has one called Sagittarius A star, and it is 4 million times bigger than our sun. What would happen if you fell into one? The gravity is so strong it would stretch your body out like a long piece of noodle. Scientists actually call this spaghettification. Also, time changes. If you were near a black hole, time would move very slowly for you, while your friends back on Earth would look like they were moving super fast. Since black holes are totally dark, how do we see them? We look for a glowing ring of dust and gas spinning around them. The dark center in the middle is called the event horizon. Once you cross that line, you can never come back. Some people wonder if our sun could become a black hole. The answer is no, it's too small. But if it did, the Earth wouldn't be sucked in immediately. The planets would keep moving in circles, but there would be no sunlight. The Earth would freeze and all life would end. If the Earth itself fell into a black hole, the gravity would slowly pull the planet apart until everything was gone. Is there any way to escape? No. To get out, you would have to move faster than light, and nothing in the universe can do that. Scientists use giant telescopes in space, like the James Webb Telescope, to find these black holes from millions of miles away. But is there anything more dangerous than a black hole? There might be something called a white hole. We haven't found one yet, but they might be the next big mystery. I will explain those in a future video. I hope you enjoyed learning about this today. These videos take a lot of work to make, so please show your support by liking the video. If you want to see more, subscribe so we can keep learning together. I'll see you in the next video.